Introduction. Once the future on social media platform get announced, social media markets often try to determine the cost and the benefit of using particular features for their business. They need to decide whether the cost of learning how to use a new feature will be worth it, and whether or not it would translate into the engagement and sales. The Instagram guide feature is a new way to share information and recommendation with your fellow followers. Effectively, when creating a guide, you are creating a blog post that is a comparison of the other's Instagram post but is built into the Instagram platform. Growth can look different of different business. The goal of your growth depended on the aims and the brand of the new purchase of the content strategy is. When trying to grow your brand, it is important to set tangible goals. This will ensure that you are on track and posting effectively. It is not enough to simply post. You must post effectively. Growth on Instagram can look like many things. One of the most common growth metrics is a fellow growth, so perhaps you want to increase your overall followers count. When doing to need remember the difference between the number of followers and engaged followers. What is the mean is serving the followers actually care about your business and interact with your content. Use guide effectively is a great way to target interested user. Growth with Instagram guide is similar to growth in other area post type of principle. The principle basic theoretical understanding of growth are the same. There are three type of Instagram guide, please product and post. 1. Set the rules and stand out. Naturally, as Instagram guide or new feature, there are no convention of expected post. This means that you get to make the rules once your audience has an expectations of the kind of post, the standard increasing exponential. This is why there are so many elements of post that you are consistently replicated across many accounts because those are things that work. When user views a feed post, in particular a brand post, they have certainly expectations that need to be met or they will disengage. But with guide, however, you can be part of the revolutionary user who get to decide the rules, convention, and expected format do not exist as the yet, meaning that you can be as creative and exciting you want. It is also important to note audience and may be receptive to understanding new features and forms of post. This means you get to anticipate them. You got to be the entity world in Instagram guide for them. Nevertheless, being one of the first people to use a new feature and use it well is central to a growing audience. It will show that you know trend is relevant, giving how a first be used to receiving information and how to accommodated be or Instagram qualification be or only want to be receiving do you find relevant in information. 2. Promoting your content. Being able to promote your content is the best way to grow your audience. Promotion run two ways. First, promotion your content through Instagram guide and second, promoting your guide. Using the product guide, you will be able to create insight into the product that you are selling on Instagram. Often, people do want to know more about product before committing you the buying. See, creating a guide to your product is a great way to show your audience more. It could be different between a sales and not. Anything you do to help make your product is good will be help you grow your audience. It will also assist in the growth of your business and translating views into sales. If your business has a physically located location, using a place guide is a great way to show it off. You can create a guide into many different elements of your business. It can be effective way of communicating to your audience what your brand is all about. You can share informative content about element of your business and create an easy way for audience to share your brand with their friends and family. By include your post in the post guide, you are effectively promoting that content. Two, whether your guide or comparative interior of your one post or you're creating your complexion of for many user post having your one post in there is a promotion of your content. The same goes for if your post is included in another user guide. It is any easy promoting of your content. There is three kind of guide product please and post all have different yet effective implication of growing your audience and business. As for the promoting of the Instagram guide itself, there are several evidence you can take. Primarily through though you will be relieving your share, you should be your post is your story and also encourage your audience to do the same. Eventually, Instagram guide will be show up on explore page. But until then, you need to promote your original or organically, promoting your generally content. To will also substantially promote your guide using hashtag and location guestage on your standard feed post is a fantastic way to do this. Leave a reference in your caption to your guide to the direct audience over to your profile onto the guide. For example, implementing sponsored post is a great way to reach new audience members. Instagram ad are going to be particularly useful if you either have a shop on Instagram or business with a physical location. In essence, you need to be able to promote your content, and that means all kind of content. Getting people to your profile should be the first step, and then having such high quality content that your audience connect resist hitting the follow button. It should be easy and clear on your profile to see exactly what your business is all about, which leads you into branding. 3. Expert branding. Creating Instagram guide is a great way to feature further your branding, which will help you grow your business. Branding is essential to growth. Effectively, branding is the perception that you, the audience has of your business. Your brand need to consider that the need want to your target audience, and it need to be appropriate for your content. Branding strategy useful involve raising brand awareness, gaining brand recognition, finally achieving brand loyalty. Instagram guide will add to new dimension to your brand. Instagram guide your way to market yourself as an expert. One of the fundamental pillar of marketing and branding, your audience need to trust your, and they need to believe that you're a credible source of information. Give all the scheme and spam account, and out of you need do anything you can to ensure that your audience believe that you are really and relevant. You should also ensure that your account is set up as a business profile. This adds a level of professionalism in social media appearance of everything, so you should take all opportunity to showcase your hero. This will help you grow because only brand succeeded. Random business account get lost in the culture and forgotten about. Branding the privately to growth, it helps to clarity and professionalism. 4. Depth your post. Instagram guide your great way to add level of depth your post. You are able to expand on your content and add more detail and themes that you have already shared on your feed. Grouping your post by subject or theme in guide is great way to direct your audience to particular element of your expertise. Building guide around certain idea or concept is a fantastic way to show your audience what can offer them beyond just simple feed content. This will help you grow because audience do not want to surface level content. They want to know who they supporting, and they want to feel like they are part of it. There are thousands of brands that user of exposure to on a daily level, but they want to build connection instead. The reason that Instagram implement guide was to make it easier of user to give and get recommendation tips and information. This give you opportunity of to create a deeper connection with your audience, to be able to share additional information, whether it be about product, place or post, is fantastic way to improve your branding. Irrespective of whether you choose to supplement your one post with post form with the user, you will still be able to future your branding goals. But if you are choose including other user post in with your one content, you are also in including your one content in the conversation. The other user will likely share your post, therefore exposing your content to new audience. But by being selective but the content that you share, and only including content for repeatedly brand with a following that is similar to your target audience. You will add depth to your content and grow your business. 5. Collaboration. Instagram guide are also great way to collaborate with a new different account. As you are able to add post from user into guide, it is a great way to expand your network of connection. Collaboration is one of the best part of Instagram. Being able to create content with another user in fantastic way to bolster both our brand. Creating guide of different kind of business, for example, cafes, second hand store, high end store, small business, cellar door, pizza restaurant, whatever it may be may lead to sponsorship opportunity as well. Business want to promote themselves through influence and brand that they trust you trusted by their audience. Therefore, if you have used guide effectively in the past or present yourself as a authority and translator, it is possible the brand will be want to collaborate with your order to grow their audience, which will in the turn grow yours. Users also love to see collaboration. They often trust your brand. Their favorite brand post about. Finding unique of just exciting opportunity to collaborate with your great way to grow your audience, guide your fantastic, easy way to collaborate with new user. Additionally, once you have built a strong reputation and integrate your content into the wider community, your post may be including into the other guides as well. This will help expose your account to new people, which will translate into new followers and overall brand growth. Overall, Instagram guide bring many new opportunity for growth. Conclusion: Instagram guide your fantastic way to help you grow your audience. But it is also important that you do neglect a tried tested method you have for growth. If you have discovered success in once or continue to do so, however, new endeavors can implement your existing strategy, but at least initially should not overshadow them. In essence, the only way you're going to know if something will be successful is to try. You will need to be monitoring and seeking your anti-list and see which method of providing you with the result that you align with your business goal. Check your engagement analyzed and insight using built-in tool as well as third-party tools and measure and quantify things you're doing and though giving the result that you want to your brand. Instagram guide your new and exciting future. You can also grow your brand. Take advantage of the opportunity to present yourself and the trusted source of information as well as valuable source research in your industry and watch your brand growth.